In Venice, Italy, two bronze statues have been striking a bell every single hour for over 500 years, and they never get tired, never need batteries, and never stop working. These statues are called the Two Moors. They were installed in 1499 atop Venice's famous clock tower, the Torre dell'Orologio, centuries before modern electricity or computers existed. Inside these bronze statues, hidden from view, are gears and springs and levers, all working together like a puzzle made of metal. Venice isn't the only place with these mechanical marvels. There are clockwork monks that pray, silver swans that bend down to catch fish, and tiny musicians that play real songs. The secret behind all these moving statues is simple machines. A cam pushes things up and down, a crank turns circles into back and forth motion, and gears pass movement from one part to another. Over 2,000 years ago, a Greek inventor named Hero built entire theater plays that performed themselves for 10 minutes using ropes, weights, and cogwheels. In Japan during the Edo period, craftspeople built karakuri ninyo, wooden dolls that could carry a cup of tea across the room to a guest. Here's the amazing part. You can build your own automata using cardboard, dowels, or drinking straws, stickers, and decorative paper. Whether you're working with bronze like the Venetian engineers or cardboard from a cereal box, the simple machines work exactly the same way. You don't need batteries, you don't need screens, you just need to understand how cams, gears, and cranks work together, and suddenly you can make anything move.